What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be working. No work. Well, I'm gonna be working, but I'm gonna show you a few stuff that I already done to the ski. Unfortunately, I couldn't record that, but I'm gonna show you a few pictures of something that I just did. In the 300. This is a 2013 300X. And I modified the intake box. I did a whole intake system with I eliminated all the whole plastic stuff that goes under the hull. It is a big, bulky stuff that restricts the air coming into the supercharger. And I fabricated a 4-inch with a velocity stack custom intake system. You can see here. I'm gonna show you a picture. It is an aluminum one, but I already wrap it up with the gold reflective tape, so the heat is not going to hit the pipe and it's gonna get the cold air. Another thing that I just did, it was the 3-inch custom exhaust system. I took the OEM water box, split it in half, eliminate all the baffles inside, and did a whole 3-inch aluminum pipe to the exhaust, and did the custom OEM. I modified the OEM exhaust system and put now it is a 3-inch over there. But now I'm gonna be working on a seal, on the seal that goes into the drive shaft, because the jet ski is taking water there. These jet skis, when they reach certain hours, they tend to get water from the jet pump to inside the hole, and 90% of the time, it is the drive shaft seal. It is let me see if I can show you. I think I have another one here. This is the drive shaft seal. This goes here into the hole, and the drive shaft comes through here. Here it has a bedding inside and 2 seals, and this is what prevents the water to go into the jet ski. Here, over there in the hole, there is a aluminum part that goes here. Goes here. And it has like a cone, and that cone is it has a rubber with a clamp that seals into the hole. So the water comes through a jet pump to here. And if this is bad, the water is gonna come through here and get inside of the ski. Also, that is the problem that I'm having right now. If you don't use the correct seal or silicone, the silicone is gonna detach from the aluminum part, and the water is gonna get through. But the seal is good, so the water is not going to get through here. The water is gonna come up and find his way to go inside to the jet ski from the bolts, and that's the problem that I'm having. The water is coming inside through the bolts, so I have to take this part again out so I can clean all the silicone that I put and put the right stuff. We already ordered it from Amazon. We are waiting for it, but in the meantime, I'm gonna disassemble everything. So when the silicone arrives, the only thing I have to do is glue everything together and put it back together, and let's hope it doesn't happen again. This is the second time I'm doing this. So let's do it again.
Hopefully the last time.
Hopefully the last time. Let's do this. The process that I found is the best course of action. I'm gonna be taking this part of the exhaust system. I'm gonna be taking the intercooler apart. I'm gonna be taking also the belt tensioner, and I have to take the whole intake system, the whole intake manifold and everything because I have to rise the engine onto a certain point that I can pull the shaft under the engine and take it out, so I can have space so I can work on that mess. I have to take the tensioner off because there is a bolt over there hidden here from the engine. I have to take all the engine supports off so I can raise the engine up, but with the tensioner here in the middle it's difficult, so I'm gonna take the tensioner off. It's only 4 bolts. It's gonna be easier to work on that bolt. This is the seal. And this is what happened. I used a silicone that wasn't waterproof. You know, I think this whole thing is damaged. Yep. You can see? You see it? This whole, let me take this apart. Okay guys, I took this apart. I took everything apart. This is a bedding that goes inside here. This is the only bedding that goes here. And in this one, you can, I don't know if you can hear it, but it's no bueno. It's no bueno. It's no good. You have to be changed. I took everything apart, as you can see, and I found this. This is the whole problem. Look at this. The rubber part detach itself from the aluminum part, and the aluminum housing that goes here inside of the hole, when the water comes, push this, and you can see all the water is gonna go in through the bolts, and it's gonna fill the hole of the jet ski. This is a brand new part. Like I told you, don't buy this. This is an aftermarket garbage that you can find on Amazon. No, don't buy it. This is the second time or the third time that I'm doing this because of this part alone. Always buy it OEM. This one costs like $80. The OEM is like 150. So it's better to spend 150 than buy this and do the work a few times. I found the kit for this one because I had the OEM one that I took from the jet ski that is good. This rubber is good. The only thing that I have a problem was the seals. The seals that fell down. It has four of these inside. It has two inside, 2 small ones and 2 big ones, and the bearings goes in the middle. You can find these. I bought these on SBT. It cost me $25, and I bought all brand new, and I'm gonna put back together the jet ski. I already installed all the parts on the brand new part with the brand new bearings and seals in the ski, and this is the silicone I use. It's a 3M adhesive sealant, but this is a marine one. This is sticky stuff. It's white, but it doesn't matter if it's the color or not. But this is a sticky silicone because it can hold oil, it can hold water, and this one specifically is gonna take 24 hours to cure. So you have to wait until that is installed. I already installed a part, and the jet ski is already put together. So the only thing we have to do is wait 24 hours for the silicone to cure, and we're set to take the ski to the water again. So guys, I don't know. So guys, we are done with this work. Remember, we're gonna be in the next video. We are gonna be taking the jet ski to the water to test everything. That everything is gonna be okay, and enjoy it. Enjoy it. What? The Tiburon. Well, Valerie wanted me to say something about the Tiburon. Okay. Don't see this is another project that is in the hole. Oh, guys, the Tiburon, as you can see here, the engine is already put back together. We installed connecting rods, bearings, brand new connecting rods, brand new forged pistons. I show you in the other video. So the only thing we are waiting on the Tiburon is for the clutch. We order directly to ACT a custom clutch that can hold 500 foot-pounds of torque. So it's gonna be, we can make like 550 to 600 horsepower with that clutch. It's gonna hold. The only thing that we will be installing is gonna be the flex fuel sensor. Let me show you. And this is already set up. We bought the fittings. This is a flex fuel sensor for the E85. This is gonna be installed on the line, on the main line. We are gonna be doing another video explaining how this works, because this is gonna make the fuel tech identify the ethanol content in the system, and it's gonna change the map on the car when Alejandro wants to switch from 93 to E85. So it's gonna be a video coming. So guys, remember. So what?
You're waiting for a part.
Yeah, I'm waiting for the clutch. I already told you.
Yeah, but you have to say that's why it has been taking so long.
Guys, she's my producer. So she's telling me what to do. Yes, guys, she's right. That's why we are holding on the videos from the Tiburon, because what we are doing right now, you already seen it. The only new things is the flex fuel sensor and the connecting rods and bearings, and you know that's the same thing using the other pistons and forged piston headed. So you already saw me put together the engine. It's the same thing. But as soon as the clutch comes, we're gonna be putting everything back together, because we are anxious to take this car to the track. We want to test it in the drag strip, and we want to test it in the road course. So yes, that's gonna be more enjoyable for you guys, because we are gonna be getting out of these four walls. So
Be patient.
Yeah, something good is coming. So, and the future plans, we're gonna be continue working with Hyundai cars. Right now we are working on a video for we bought Adrian and me. We bought two Velosters, one turbo, one another is not turbo. I'm gonna be working on those engines today, because we bought those with engine noise, and we already took it apart, and it has a connecting rod, and one has a crankshaft really bad, and we're gonna be fixing that. Guys, if you dream of it, work for it and make it happen. See you in the next one.